Welcome back to Angel's Fit Pilates. This is a gentle Pilates routine where we'll be incorporating just gentle movements, nice stretching in there. So it could be a great routine to do in the morning when you're trying to wake up and get a little movement in, or also at the end of the day when you feel like moving but don't want to move too much. So that's what we're going to do today. Let's start first by lying on our backs. So to begin, we're gonna bridge up. So roll through that low back, through the mid back, come up onto the shoulder blades, and then roll back down. We're trying to have each vertebra hit as we roll up and down. And again, roll, low back hits, mid back, come up, roll back down, and again, rolling up, and roll back down. Now we're gonna roll up, and then bring the arms up. We're gonna scissor the arms. So one arm comes back as one arm comes down. Bring it back to center. And again, opposite arm, come back to center. So just scissoring the arms, bringing the right arm back, and then the left arm back. Just trying to maintain that bridge position here. You can just breathe normally throughout the workout. Let's do one more each side. Arms come back to center and come back down. Now roll up again. We're gonna bring one leg into tabletop. If you need extra support, you can place the hand down as the leg lifts. And we're gonna tap the toe. So tap and come back up. We'll do this for 5. Place the foot down, let's switch sides. Remember, you can bring that arm down if you need support, and tap for 5. Trying to keep the hips steady here and not rocking. Bring that foot down and come back down. And bring the arms down. Now you're gonna bring one leg in tabletop. Arms are gonna go behind your head to support it. We're going to twist as we crunch up. And come back down. Let's stay on that side and go for 5. Try to keep those elbows open wide here. Last one. Bring that foot down, other leg comes up, come up and twist. Put that foot down. Now you're gonna bring the other leg back up again. We're gonna crunch out and in and come back down. Just do that for 5 again. So up, point, bring it back in, come back down. Two more. Leg comes down, other leg comes up. Let's go for 5. Out, in, back down. You can choose as high or as low you want to go here with the leg. The lower you go, the more you're going to be feeling it through the hip flexors. Head comes down, legs come down. Now we're going to drop both the knees to one side. So drop to the side and then bring your arms to the opposite side. We're going to open up that arm that's the closest to the floor. So your palm will be facing up and then you can feel that stretch through the shoulder. Hold for 10 seconds here. Bring the legs back to center. Drop the knees to the other side. Arms come to the other side as well. Bring the legs back to center. Arms come down. We're gonna sit up now. We're gonna go into a mermaid stretch now. So let's have one leg, I'm gonna scoot my mat out a bit here. One leg is in front, turned out, and then the other leg is behind. Let's bend to one side and hold. Come up, let's go to the other side. Try not to rotate here. Now we're gonna flex forward, go to the other side, extend the back, and then go to the opposite side. So just circles here. We'll do 3 circles one way and then 3 the other way. So circle around, flex that spine, open up the chest. And 2. Last one. Other side. So extend and flex the spine. Last one. Come back up. Let's bring the other leg in front and then bring that front leg to the back. So now we get that nice turned out for the front leg, and then the back leg is turned in. We're gonna go to the side, flex forward, and then extend through the back as you go back. And again, 3 each side. And last one. Other side, so we're gonna go back and then circle forward. That feels so good on my back. Last one. Good, bring the arm down. Now we're gonna go into a quadruped position, so on the hands and knees. Start first with a stretch. So flex the spine, draw the abs in here, and then drop that belly, let your stomach hang here, and then you're gonna be extending through that back, so you should feel that stretch through the abs. Okay, now we're gonna take one leg, extend it out. Now we're gonna bring the leg up. You're going to tap to the side and then tap in that starting position again. So tap and tap. Tapping across your foot there. We're gonna do 5 each side. Bring that knee in, other leg comes out. Now we're gonna tap across. So tap and tap. Keep the abs drawn in here. Last one. Bring the legs in. Now we're gonna extend one arm up and then thread that arm through. So bring one arm up, reach up, and then the arm's gonna come underneath. You can rest your cheek to the mat. We'll hold here for 10 seconds. Let's come up. Go to the other side, so stretching up and then thread through. Come up. You can sit on your knees. We're gonna bring your arms in front. We'll just do a little spinal twist here. So you're gonna take a breath in And then exhale, twist. Come back to center. Let's do the other side. Breathe in and exhale. Come back in front. And again, rotate. Feel that openness through the chest and the shoulder. Other side. Last one. Bring the arms up. We're going to drive those elbows down. And again, reach and down. Reach and down. Let's do 2 more. Last one. Now we're going to keep the arms up and together. Reach up, extend the spine. Arms come down. And you're all set. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this workout, and I will see you next time.